Welcome to the Whiskey Creek Railway. It has been a while since I've given informations about the updates on the track. A lot of the work has been focused still in the silver mine down there, but I want to speak today about the beginning of the train track, which starts at the end of our driveway. When I designed the track, it's a long C-shaped track going downhill and then uphill, and I had to meet some elevation requirements, so I started immediately going downhill. But I did not realize that there was a big problem. The train station was downhill, so I was not able to get the train to be stopped without putting a shim or a blocker. We took the opportunity of redoing the driveway to flatten the train station. And it has been quite an undertaking, because working with the contractors so that they are able to understand, how to put back the track is a little bit of a challenge. But we had good contractors, and it's almost finished. There is some finishing job to be done so that the brick on the outside and even the inside are at the right level, so that needs to be finished. But it's going to be beautiful. And as you can see, with this free rolling track, now it's level. I can tell you, when there was an ounce of inclination, the track was going downhill. As you can see, it's completely flat. It's not moving. So this is my update. There will be another cool thing that I will share with you. But here we are at the beginning of the Whiskey Creek Railway, and behind the curtain you have my train shed. Thank you for watching this video, and continue to be a loyal viewer of the Whiskey Creek Railway. Thank you.